Unlock the mystery to unimaginable riches with a secret Neville Goddard technique that's been under wraps, until now. Imagine manifesting not just a financial boost but potentially millions flowing into your life at warp speed. Today, we're not just testing the waters, we're diving deep into the extraordinary, the magical, and the spaces where impossibility is merely a suggestion. It's the kind of secret sauce that could transform you into the financial wizard you've always dreamed of becoming. What if I told you your golden ticket to riches is just a secret technique away? Ready to discover the magic? Have you ever considered the skill of transforming the unimaginable into your everyday reality? Get ready because we're about to reveal some hidden secrets, unravel the mysteries of the mindset game, and give you the keys to effortlessly bring the impossible into your life. Buckle up for an exciting journey. But before I reveal this technique to you, I would like to ask you a favor. Please support my channel and podcast by hitting the like button and subscribing so that we stay motivated to share the best content with you. It would mean a lot to us and help us reach more people who need this information. Thank you so much for your kindness and generosity. This secret technique will change your life forever. Today, I'm excited to share a powerful story inspired by Neville Goddard, revealing a unique and unconventional method for attracting money and wealth and all your heart's desires regardless of your current circumstances. Do you want to manifest your desires instantly, without waiting for weeks, months or years? Do you want to learn the secret technique that Neville Goddard taught his VIP students to create their own reality effortlessly? Neville Goddard taught that imagination is the only reality, and that everything you see in the physical world is a reflection of your inner state. Neville Goddard had a simple but powerful formula for manifestation. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. He said that if you can feel as if your desire is already true, then it will become true in your outer world. He also said that there is no limit to what you can imagine and feel, and that you can create miracles by using your imagination. But how do you assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled? How do you make it so real and vivid that it becomes your dominant state of consciousness? How do you overcome the doubts, fears and resistance that may arise in your mind? This is where the hidden cheat code comes in. The hidden cheat code is a technique that Neville Goddard taught his VIP students who wanted to accelerate their manifestation process. It is a way of using your imagination to create a scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire, and then entering into that scene as if it were real. By doing this, you bypass the rational mind and impress your subconscious mind with the feeling of your wish fulfilled. The hidden cheat code has 3 steps. 1. Define your desire clearly and specifically. What do you want to manifest? How would you know that you have it? What would be different in your life if you had it? Write down your desire in a positive and present tense statement, such as I am healthy and fit, I have a loving relationship with my partner, I am wealthy and successful. 2. Create a scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire. Imagine a situation that would naturally occur after your desire has manifested. For example, if you want to be healthy and fit, you could imagine yourself running in the park, feeling energetic and happy. If you want to have a loving relationship, you could imagine yourself cuddling with your partner on the couch, feeling loved and appreciated. If you want to be wealthy and successful, you could imagine yourself receiving a big check, feeling proud and grateful. Make sure that your scene is short, simple and realistic. It should not be too long or complicated, or involve too many people or details. It should also be something that you can easily believe and accept as true. 3. Enter into the scene as if it were real. Close your eyes and relax your body and mind. Then, mentally place yourself in the scene that you have created. See what you would see, hear what you would hear, feel what you would feel, smell what you would smell, taste what you would taste. Use all your senses to make the scene as vivid and realistic as possible. Feel the emotions that correspond to your desire, such as joy, gratitude, love, confidence. Imagine that the scene is happening right now, in this moment. Do not think of it as something in the future or in the past, but as something that is already true. Stay in the scene for as long as it feels natural and comfortable. Repeat it over and over again until it feels real and natural to you. That's it. That's the hidden cheat code for instant manifestation. By doing this technique regularly, preferably before going to sleep or after waking up, when your mind is more receptive, you will impress your subconscious mind with the feeling of your wish fulfilled. And when your subconscious mind accepts something as true, it will manifest it in your outer world. This technique is simple but powerful. It works for any desire, big or small. It works for anyone who is willing to use their imagination and feel their wish fulfilled. It works because it aligns you with the creative power of your own consciousness. Neville Goddard taught this technique to his VIP students who paid him thousands of dollars for his private lessons. He said that this was the ultimate secret to manifestation, and that anyone who mastered it could create anything they wanted. Now, you have access to this hidden cheat code for free. You can use it anytime, anywhere, for any purpose. You can use it to manifest health, money, wealth, love, happiness, success, or anything else that you desire. But don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself and see what happens. You will be amazed by the results. Remember, imagination is the only reality. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Enter into the scene as if it were real. And watch your dreams come true. The hidden cheat code that Neville Goddard taught only to his most advanced students was a simple but powerful phrase that he used to speed up the manifestation process and bypass any resistance or doubt in his mind. This phrase was, "Isn't it wonderful?" That's it. That's the cheat code. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This phrase has immense power when used correctly and with feeling. How does it work? Well, let me explain. When you say or think, "Isn't it wonderful?" with feeling, you are implying that something wonderful has already happened or is happening right now. You are not specifying what it is, but you are implying that it is related to your desire. For example, if you want to manifest money, you can say, "Isn't it wonderful?" and imply that you have received a large sum of money or that you have an abundance of money in your bank account. If you want to manifest love, you can say, "Isn't it wonderful?" and imply that you have met your soulmate or that you have a happy and harmonious relationship. If you want to manifest health, you can say, "Isn't it wonderful?" and imply that you are healed or that you have perfect health. You get the idea. You can use this phrase for any desire you have, big or small. The beauty of this phrase is that it does not require any visualization, affirmation, or scripting. It does not require any specific details or conditions. It does not require any effort or strain. It only requires feeling. By saying, "Isn't it wonderful?" with feeling, you are automatically assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. You are feeling as if your desire has already manifested or is manifesting right now. You are feeling gratitude, joy, excitement, relief, or any other positive emotion associated with your desire. And by doing this, you are impressing your subconscious mind with your desired state, and it will then reflect it back to you as your reality. Another benefit of this phrase is that it bypasses any resistance or doubt in your mind. Since you are not specifying what is wonderful or how it happened, you are not giving your logical mind any chance to question or contradict your statement. You are not giving any room for negative thoughts or feelings to interfere with your manifestation. You are simply stating a fact that something wonderful has happened or is happening, and you are feeling it. And since your subconscious mind accepts whatever you feel as true, it will accept your statement as true and make it so. How to use the cheat code. Now that you know what the cheat code is and how it works, let me tell you how to use it. The first step is to decide what you want to manifest. It can be anything you desire, big or small, as long as it is something that you truly want and that is good for you and others. The second step is to say or think, "Isn't it wonderful?" with feeling. You can say it out loud or silently in your mind. You can say it once or repeat it several times. You can say it anytime and anywhere. You can say it in the morning, in the evening, before bed, after waking up, during the day, while walking, while driving, while working, while relaxing, while meditating, while doing anything. The important thing is to say it with feeling. Feel as if something wonderful has already happened or is happening right now. Feel as if your desire has already manifested or is manifesting right now. Feel gratitude, joy, excitement, relief, or any other positive emotion associated with your desire. The third step is to let go and trust. After you say or think, "Isn't it wonderful?" with feeling, you don't have to do anything else. You don't have to worry about how, when, or where your desire will manifest. You don't have to look for signs or evidence. You don't have to force or manipulate anything. You just have to let go and trust that your subconscious mind has received your instruction and that it will execute it perfectly. You just have to trust that the universe will arrange everything for your highest good and that your desire will manifest in the best possible way and at the best possible time. You just have to relax and enjoy the feeling of having what you want. You just have to live in the end and act as if. That's it. That's how you use the hidden Neville Goddard cheat code to manifest anything you want in an instant. To help you understand how this cheat code works in practice, let me give you a real example from my own life. A few months ago, I wanted to manifest a new laptop. My old laptop was slow, outdated, and had many problems. I wanted a new laptop that was fast, modern, and had all the features I needed for my work and hobbies. I decided to use the hidden Neville Goddard cheat code to manifest my new laptop. I did not specify any brand, model, price, or specifications for my new laptop. I did not visualize or affirm anything about my new laptop. I did not script or write anything about my new laptop. I simply said or thought, "Isn't it wonderful?" with feeling several times a day. I implied that I had received a new laptop or that I had a new laptop in my possession. I felt gratitude, joy, excitement, and relief as if I already had my new laptop. I did this for about 2 weeks, without worrying about how, when, or where my new laptop would manifest. I just trusted that my subconscious mind and the universe would take care of everything. And guess what? They did. One day, I received an email from a friend who works at a tech company. He told me that his company was giving away some laptops to their employees as a bonus, and that he had an extra one that he did not need. He asked me if I wanted it. I was shocked and delighted. I asked him what kind of laptop it was, and he told me the brand, model, price, and specifications. It was exactly the kind of laptop I wanted. It had all the features I needed for my work and hobbies. It was fast, modern, and perfect for me. He told me that he could ship it to me for free, and that I could have it within a few days. He said that he was happy to give it to me as a gift, since he knew that I needed a new laptop and that he had no use for his extra one. I thanked him profusely and accepted his generous offer. I was overjoyed and amazed by this manifestation. I realized that this was the result of using the hidden Neville Goddard cheat code. Within a few days, I received my new laptop in the mail. It was exactly as described by my friend. It worked perfectly and met all my expectations. It was truly a wonderful gift from the universe. I thank my friend again and again for his kindness and generosity. I also thank Neville Goddard for his teachings and his cheat code. And most of all, I thank myself for using my imagination and feeling technique to manifest my desire. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website, where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.